लेट मी डू इट। कपल गोल्स, जो भी करेंगे साथ करेंगे।
और क्या साथ साथ करने का इरादा है?
मेरा फेवरेट शो शुरू हो रहा है, साथ साथ देखें।
इस गर्मी के मौसम में कब पावर आएगी कब जाएगी क्या पता। How sad.
इसलिए तो वी गार्ड का नया स्मार्ट इन्वर्टर लगवाया है, कितना पावर बचाए सब बताता है।
Very smart.
आओ नॉनस्टॉप एंटरटेनमेंट करें हम, तुम और वी गार्ड स्मार्ट इन्वर्टर्स।
मिलम विधानसभा क्षेत्र से विधायक रोनी वी लिंगदोह ने बुधवार को औपचारिक रूप से भारतीय राष्ट्रीय कांग्रेस से इस्तीफा दे दिया है। उन्होंने अपना त्यागपत्र विधानसभा अध्यक्ष थॉमस ए संगमा को सौंपा। इस दौरान उपमुख्यमंत्री स्निभालांग धर, पूर्व माइलिन विधायक हैमलेटसन डोहलिंग और एनपीपी नेता डेनियल एम थांगख्यू भी मौजूद थे। रोनी लिंगदोह अब सत्तारूढ़ नेशनल पीपल्स पार्टी एनपीपी में शामिल होने जा रहे हैं। वे कांग्रेस छोड़कर एनपीपी में शामिल होने वाले चौथे विधायक होंगे। इससे पूर्व 19 अगस्त 2024 को कांग्रेस के 3 विधायक डॉक्टर सेलेस्टीन लिंगदोह, गैब्रियल वाहलांग और चार्ल्स मारंगार भी एनपीपी में विलय कर चुके हैं। उनके विलय को विधानसभा अध्यक्ष ने 2/3 बहुमत के प्रावधानों के तहत मान्यता प्रदान की थी।
All the criteria laid under the 10th schedule of the Indian Constitution. So I have accepted his application, and I have also given my acceptance and my recognition that he is considered as a member of the National People's Party with immediate effect. Yes, I have already spoken that I have received. First, I have received yesterday.
NPP.
Today.
What about the
Morning, I think he had also had a meeting with his supporters, which I am not aware of. But he had come to me around 12:30, and I have accepted his letter seeking merger with NPP today at around 12:30 p.m.
He was a complainant in the MLAs, 3 MLAs. So where does he stand now?
He had also, in that letter, he has also submitted that he no longer desires to continue with the PIL, that he has FIR or PIL, whatever is that, complaint petition seeking the his PIL with the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, and he said he no longer desires to continue pursue that matter. Supporters, this room was filled with all of them, and also from our party leaders, including Deputy Chief Minister Ma Snobalan Dar, Hamlet Chandoli, and our State Treasurer, Mr. Daniel, thank you, and other senior leaders from NPP also, and his supporters also.
Sir, now since he has joined, he has resigned, means he has merged with NPP, and he is a single lone MLA from Congress. Will it create any problem, or is the merger swift? Have you accepted the merger?
Yes, I have accepted it, and it will soon be published in the bulletin.
Okay, so right?
Yes, of course.
Okay, because earlier also there were questions were raised whenever Congress MLAs they marched with NPP. Questions were.
So I guess everyone is free to raise objections, if any. But I have made my decision, and if there is any legal complication or irregularity, the court will decide that one. But I have given my ruling, and I have accepted his thing, and he is now considered as the member of the National People's Party.
So with this, how many members are there with NPP right now?
I think it comes to 33 now.
33.
Coming back to the earlier question, place doesn't hold anymore.
Yes, yeah, my lawyers and maybe the lawyers of those other MLAs, they will be, appealing to, submitting their request to the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya.
So this means that Congress has closed the shop in Meghalaya.
I don't know. I don't know whether I should say that word.
So can we ask?
You see, taking the political scenario of the state and so my supporters, my leaders have asked me to join the NPP.
Okay. So now you're moving to the NPP marks the end of the Congress, at least in terms of representation in the state assembly.
Exactly, but the party continues.
So what are your thoughts on this? Because the party, this is a party which you have been closely associated with, and we understand that you have been offered umpteen number of times the opportunity to join the NPP, but you didn't. So today it finally happened.
You see, now the people, taking the expectation of the people and stability and good governance in the state, I've taken this step. But of course, with the wishes of the party, my party supporters.
So did you had a sort of conversation with your party, Congress party?
I hinted at them. I think they got the message. I hinted at them. Because various reasons. We can carry on talking later on.
So any promises made from the MPs?
No, the promises, the condition was development for my constituency and stability for the government.